Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Lagrange local, and long-distance movers near me. As one of the most dependable and reputed long-distance movers in Lagrange, we will handle your long-distance move with the utmost responsibility. Offering customized solutions, we focus on meeting your exact needs cost-efficiently. Have a look at what exactly we provide. Packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Many people rely on DIY methods when it comes to moving their stall locally to save money. You should not commit this mistake because it does not offer any advantage. On the contrary, you are making your possessions highly vulnerable to damage. Expert local movers in Lagrange know how to move your goods safely and reliably. You must work with a professional team to avoid all pitfalls and make your relocation hassle-free. As reliable local movers in Lagrange, we have a professional team that follows a streamlined approach to make everything go according to the plan. You can relocate to your new home or office in no time. When you make efforts to move your own stuff, you may need 1 or 2 days or even more. Our professionals will perform a local move in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lagrange moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.